today we're going. Oh wait, sup guys? So today we're going to play Bed Wars custom match and say hi, Luke. All right, so we're. I don't know. I forgot which map is this. So let's start now. So what he doesn't know is I'm gonna use the host panel. Like, yeah, fine. I'm gonna make another custom match with him, but I'm gonna secretly make it. I'm gonna secretly cheat. Oh wait, you can hear me, bro. I thought you can, bro. I thought you can't hear me. Okay, you know what? I'll just make it in another video. I'll just make it in another video. All right. Not in the other video, but yeah, I no in the third video which I'm gonna do with Luke. So, boom. Oh no, no, not stone sword. Woo. Let's do with the dagger. Look, look, where are you right now, Luke? Still on your base, bruh. Oh, no. All right, that's my first mistake. All right, let's do that and pop. Why? Oh, not there. Bro, where's the other one? There we go. Tesla coil trap. And another one in there. And no, don't get in there. Come on. Look, don't trash me, bruh. Die. Alright, so let's go get some diamonds. Hey, no, no, no. Bruh. Bro. Yeah, I know, Luke, I know. I don't know if you can hear Luke or something, but yeah. What? Yeah, I just fall in the void. Yeah, for real, bro. Oh wait, is the volume? Oh no, bro. Bro. You know what? Let's get 2 fireballs. Let's get some wolves. We can forget about wolves. Oh, there it is. Come on. Say what? Come on. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna use any. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna spare you. I'm gonna spare you. Yeah, I'm gonna spare you. Bruh. What? Oh, you wanna build challenge? Yeah, bruh. For real. For. No! No! Come on. Build up, build up, build up, build up, build up. No. Pew. Come on. Come on, Luke. Oh, bro. Oh, Luke. Oh, bruh. Okay, you know what? Nope. No. Yo. No. Bruh. I keep remembering about base battles of the flag, bruh. I mean, the parachute. That's why. Nah, man. Jit dripping. Boom. Yeah. There we go. Let's make. Now let's. What? Come on, bro. So, let's build over there now. Look, do you want some custom. This custom round than the real one? Should we do squads later? Okay, okay, okay. But if I win, I get to be the host again, okay? I bet, bruh. Bet. Dude, they forgot which way must. Dude, how did you get that already? Oh, hell no, bruh. Heck no. No! Country home! Take me home! Okay, let me just take this to my personal chest. Come on! Oh, look! Oh, look! Oh, look now! I fell. Bruh! You fell too, bruh. You fell. Oh, wait, how do I got... Bang. Say what? I can't really understand you much. Should we have... Yeah, let's forge this first. Forge that. We got it? Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? No, not spawn. No? Where's it going? Bro, what? It doesn't work anymore. Spawn. Oh, emerald. So there's no S, I remember now. You go there. Oh, wait. Fireball. Let's go, 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 go. Go, go, go. So I have 5 forge points. Oh, look! Come over here, buddy. Bro, where did you go, bro? Wait, is that another... How do you teleport, by the way? Anyways. Yeah, I'm gonna set your... Okay, you know what? I'll spare you again. What? Yeah, I have no ammo, bro. Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah, don't be mad at me. You know I'm bad at this, but yeah. Mm. What? Oh, no, no. Thank you. Man, bro, what happened to my controls, bro? Look, you should really cover your bed right now because I'm coming. What do what do you mean, Leo? Yeah, I might need 6 of them. Dog. Alright, let's go. Oh wait, we got arrows, okay. Hey, yo! Dude, chill! Yo! Yo! Yo, I'm dead! Nice. Oh, you were my bounty. Nice, bro. Oh, we can forge now. Bang. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear mom's looks or something, but yeah. There's literally just it's just complicated. Let's go. Ah ah there. Oh wait, we can forge. Yes, this one. What? 5 out of 6. Oh, I have no arrows by the way. Look, what do you say? If we should we play in the public or no? Look, look. Should we play some in the public server after this? Bro, you can't run but you can hide. Oh, look. Oh, wait, I missed. Damn, bruh. Bruh. You know what? I'm gonna let you free again. Bro, why do I always do that? Oh, you're gonna be AFK? Okay. So Luke's gonna be AFK for a while. So, if you don't mind, uh, we'll just wait for him. But yeah, I don't know how to edit. So yeah, so you might be sticking. So don't hate me because I don't know how to edit. But please subscribe for more content, bruh. Please. Oma, oma. And could we have any arm? Hmm. Yes, we can. Oh wait, you know what? 7. I'm literally playing on the PC. Oh wait, am I muted on him? No, he's not muted on him. I'm not muted to him. But let me just. Alright, so Luke is here. Luke, are you back now? I got you some emeralds. I got you some emeralds. I got you some emeralds, bro. Do you want more? Cause I have so many. Like literally, I just camped it. I just camped in there. Yeah, he doesn't know that I didn't. Yeah, because I have so many emeralds. I just camped there earlier. Yeah, I don't know if he knows it, but yeah. I don't have that. I don't have that much there. Yeah, I don't have any. When the clock hits 18 minutes, look, 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 look. Yeah? Huh? Oh no. Oh no. Yes. Should we fight now? Yeah. Hey! Bye-bye. Yeah, don't bye. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go back to my base. And go buy some. Yeah, don't save me because I'm cheating. Oh yeah. Say what? I don't hear you much. What? There we go, bro. Bro, what happened? Why was there a cloud of smoke? Philippines. Oh heck nah, bro. Now you got it. When the clock hits 18 minutes, look, we then fight, okay? Look, 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 look. When the clock hits 18 minutes or 20 minutes, we fight now, okay? Let's end this. Come on. Let's fight. Let's fight. Alright, come on. Let's fight now, bruh. There we go. Come on. Look, look. It's time. We fight now, bruh. We fight now. Wait, what? Bro, what? Bro, why do you keep going? Where is that one? Let's go, GG. Well, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next video.